hearing clunks or squeaks over bumps. This tiny bushing is probably your problem. Watch this. Right here, the sway bar bushing. This one's completely torn, so it can't hold anything tight. Crack the bracket bolts loose and pull the old bushing off. If it looks like this, yeah, it's done. Slide the new bushing in place, make sure it's seated right, and clamp the bracket back on. Snug. The bolts down evenly so the bar stays centered and doesn't start knocking again. Quick fix, big difference. Want more easy DIY repairs? Hit subscribe. I got you covered.